In this video, we're diving into how to customize SuiteDash client portals for different clients in a way that ensures every one of your clients feels like their portal was made just for them. Stick around till the end, because we'll also explore some amazing alternatives that might even suit your business needs better. When you first set up SuiteDash, you're met with a clean slate. But to truly make it work for your clients, customization is key. The beauty of SuiteDash is its flexibility in creating a tailored experience for each client. So let's get into how you can adjust the client portal for each one. The first thing to keep in mind is branding. Customizing your client's portal with their logo, colors, and business identity is simple and vital. SuiteDash lets you upload their logo directly into the system, and you can match their branding to create a seamless experience. This will make their portal look like an extension of their business. Next thing, customizing the dashboard. SuiteDash allows you to change what your clients see first when they log in. You can prioritize tasks that are most important to them, whether it's projects, invoices, or something else. You can even create custom widgets or completely hide certain features they don't need. This helps keep everything clean and focused, making the experience more streamlined and intuitive. The third thing to consider is permissions. SuiteDash gives you control over what each client can access. You can assign different access levels based on the type of information they need. For example, if you're working with multiple departments, you can ensure each department only sees their relevant files, keeping things organized and secure. This granularity makes SuiteDash a strong choice for businesses handling sensitive client data. Then, you can also customize the document sharing system. SuiteDash allows you to configure the way files are shared between you and your clients. You can create custom folders and set up file categories that your clients can easily navigate. This feature is particularly useful if you're working on multiple projects or need to organize content in a clear, structured way. But let's not forget the communication tools. SuiteDash lets you configure messaging and task assignment in a way that fits your workflow. Whether it's through internal notes, emails, or instant messaging, you can ensure your clients have the right tools to communicate with you and your team. You can also customize the way notifications are sent out, so they only get alerts that are truly important to them. Lastly, you can customize the client portal's layout. With SuiteDash, you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all approach. You can modify the appearance of the portal itself, including the header, footer, and overall structure. This level of flexibility helps you ensure that each client's portal feels personalized, whether you're working with a high-end corporate client or a small business. Now, while SuiteDash is fantastic for many, it's not the only option out there. Some businesses may need more flexibility or additional features, and that's where some of the competitors come in. Tools like Honeybook or Dubsado also offer client portal customization, but they come with a different set of strengths and weaknesses. While SuiteDash shines in its extensive customizability, Honeybook's user interface is easier to navigate, and Dubsado's workflow automation might be a better fit for businesses focusing on heavy automation. Here's the thing, SuiteDash has an exclusive offer for our viewers. Through the link below, you'll get an extended free trial and some incredible benefits that are only available here. However, before you decide, I'll also share some alternatives that could be a better fit depending on your specific needs. Remember, customizing your SuiteDash client portal is just one part of building a better experience for your clients. There are options out there that might do this even better for your business needs, and through the link, you get access to some of the best trials. Check it out and see which one fits your goals best.